Hi, my name is Joshua Pex. I'm a lawyer at the law offices of Cohen Decker Pex Blosh. We deal with immigration to Israel, and today we're going to talk about the process of cancellation or revocation of Israeli citizenship. Well, as you know, Israeli citizenship can be acquired according to different criteria. Most of the Israeli citizens receive the citizenship from birth. Either their mother or their father is a citizen, and since they were born, they're also Israeli citizens. Others have been permanent residents in Israel and requested to be naturalized and receive Israeli citizenship. There are also those who made aliyah according to the law of return, and they're Jews or children or grandchildren of Jews, and they received Israeli citizenship. Also those receive citizenship through family connections, usually a spouse. Well, no matter how the Israeli citizenship was acquired, today we're going to talk about how Israeli citizenship may be cancelled. Well, the relevant law is the law of citizenship, and in Article 11 we read about two different ways citizenship is cancelled. The first way is if the citizenship was acquired on the basis of false information, and the other one is revocation of citizenship for those who are actively members of terrorist organizations against the state of Israel. We're not going to talk about this topic in this short video, but we are going to talk about revocation of citizenship for those that acquired citizenship based on false information. Well, if you just received citizenship and you have not had the citizenship for more than 3 years, then the Minister of Interior himself can and has the authority to cancel the citizenship if the authorities reach the conclusion that the citizenship was received based on false information. If there's already more than 3 years have passed since the citizenship was obtained, then only the court, in this case the District Court of Administrative Appeals, can cancel the citizenship. Well, in what situations citizenship is cancelled according to Article 11 of the Law of Citizenship? If, for example, a person made aliyah and presented documents that show his connection to Jewishness or show that he doesn't have a criminal background, or brings birth certificates that show family ties, and it is discovered later on that this is false, then the citizenship may be cancelled. The person is invited to interview at the Ministry of Interior. The clerks present the person and give him a hearing, a chance to explain why these documents are in fact correct. But if still the clerks and the authorities receive or come to the conclusion that it is not correct, then the application is moved to a special committee for cancellation of citizenship. Today, requests are pending in this committee for a long time. Actually, we have clients that are waiting for a few years for answer of the committee for cancellation of citizenship. But if at the end of the process in the committee still the committee decides to cancel the citizenship, and this is the decision they reach, then we can appeal in the name of our clients to the court and still try and argue that there are reasons or an explanation, or that this person still needs to stay an Israeli citizen. Well, if you have any questions regarding cancellation of citizenship, or you're standing before having your citizenship revoked, we'll be happy to talk to you, and even if you have any questions regarding immigration to Israel laws. Thank you for listening.